So if you're starting to trade, one of the first questions that you might be asking is how much money do I need in order to trade? And just to be clear, I'm not a financial advisor, just for educational purposes only. But in any market, forex, crypto, futures, stocks, etc. I mean, you can get started with like $500, right? And that's just on the low end. Obviously, the more money you have, the better, right? Because when you have a smaller account, it's easier to start thinking about over leveraging in order to try to make a good amount of money off the account. When you have a bigger account, you don't feel like you need to, right? Because the more money you have, the more buying power you have, right? The better profits you'll get. So when it comes to forex, you can start off with 500. I mean, in every sort of field, you just have to be very smart with the way you're risking this money, right? I mean, the usual rule of thumb is to not try to risk. You don't want to risk any more than 1% of your account every trade. That's like a typical rule of thumb. So you can imagine with a smaller account, you can be looking at like 1% of $500, like $5 trade. So it's easier to over leverage. So just keep that in mind, guys. You don't need a ton of money to start, but if you're starting with a small account, please have realistic, have a realistic outlook on the sort of profits that you might be seeing at the start.